beautiful view from Gethin Woods, Merthyr Tydfil. And I'm at this fantastic new facility, the Mountain Bike Centre, Bike Park Wales, that just opened at the end of August. It's a result of collaboration between the local community, the Welsh Government, several partners and individuals, and importantly, made possible by funding from the European Union. It's not only very popular already, but it's going to be a huge boost to the local economy.
I mean, it's an amazing, resource, amazing facility for people that, we haven't had in Wales at all, really. And to have it local to people, it's great.
Are people coming from all over?
Well, we can't get on the uplift service this morning because it's been fully booked, and trying to get on it for the next month is nigh on impossible, which just shows how popular this kind of project is going to be, not just for the local people, but for the whole of the UK. I've heard some really different accents in the car park this morning in the bike shop already, so obviously people are travelling a long way to come to Bike Park Wales because it's unique. It's the only place of its kind in the UK.
In areas such as this, where the history is coal mining, heavy industry, what difference do you think it makes to be actually using the natural resources that we have to create jobs and to boost the local economy?
I'm from valleys myself, and I know lots of people see the valleys as dark, scarred communities, which they were, especially when the heavy industries moved out. But I think this is such a fantastic boost for the people of Merthyr and the people of this area. It's going to give a massive boost to tourism for local people coming here and from people travelling from the length and breadth of the UK.
Wales gains a lot from membership of the European Union. We would gain a lot more if we were an independent member with our own voice and, more importantly, casting Wales's vote in Wales's interests in Europe. But for now, we have to work to promote and protect that Welsh national interest. And we have to play our part too in helping to rebuild Europe, to make it more democratic, open and effective. It's in that Europe of the peoples that Wales's future lies, as a successful, bilingual, modern European nation.